Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be replacing the CD-ROM drive on this NEC Ready 9905. And yeah, if you're wondering why I'm going to be replacing the CD-ROM drive on this, I'm going to be replacing it with the one that came with it from the factory. This one here is dead, so I'm just going to be swapping the working CD rewritable drive it has in here with a dead original drive. And I need the rewritable drive from this to use on another computer. So I'm going to be replacing it with the one it originally came with. So let's just get straight into it. So I've got my screwdriver. We can start opening it up. So there is one thumb screw on here, but I can't really unscrew it with my thumb. Always have to use the screwdriver to unscrew it a little bit first. But can take the side panel off. And I've watched some people do some YouTube videos on Packard Bell computers, and this looks very similar to one. So I'm not sure if NEC, I think NEC bought Packard Bell computer, I don't know, or like they bought over Packard Bell, but yeah, I don't know, but this looks really similar to a Packard Bell or to some Packard Bells where the hard drive is mounted right here, and that's all I can think about, remember from that one YouTube video I watched. But so CD-ROM drive is up here. Let's disconnect that. As you can see, very nicely organized, the cables. And let's get this front cover off. And as you can see, this is a Pentium 2 system. And okay. Just push this out and get the top out. And you can see the sticker up here, and I've seen many Packard Bells on YouTube videos on YouTube that have this sticker, so that's one similarity. And also I think the case design and how the motherboard looks similar to one Packard Bell that I've seen on YouTube. Unfortunately, I don't have a Packard Bell computer. I would like to get one at some point in the future. So that can stay down there. And now it's time to unscrew this CD-ROM drive, CD rewritable drive. And I can barely find any information about this computer, so it's pretty uncommon from what I see. So, oh, forgot to disconnect the audio cable. And there we go. CD-ROM drive. CD writable drive is out. Just gotta unscrew one more screw from it. And then we can put it onto the old CD-ROM drive. So you can just screw that in. And I will do a teardown on this computer at some point. It's just that I've got plans today, so I'm gonna do a slightly shorter video on replacing a CD-ROM drive. So just slide the drive in. There we go. That looks nice. Oops. The hard drive on this computer is dying. It's really loud, and it takes forever to even get to the Windows 98 splash screen. It takes like a minute or two just to get there. So this hard drive is definitely not in great health. It's also really loud, and it doesn't sound great either. But let's get this drive connected. And let's connect the Molex cable. And looks like it's connected. So it's connected. Got the front panel on. Slide it on here. And looks like that cover is on. Let's get the side panel on. And I would like to restore this thing to factory settings, but I can't because I don't have the recovery discs, and I can't find any recovery discs online. So that's really unfortunate. But at least I have this computer. So you don't really see many NEC computers and laptops out there. My middle school and my school district has a lot of NEC projectors. Yeah, that's what I see the most of from them. But let's see if this computer still works. And not gonna connect it to a monitor today, but let's just connect power. You can hear the hard drive initializing. I like these Maxter hard drives that make those initializing sounds. But let's just unplug that. But yeah, shorter video. I'll have a longer one out next week on tearing down this computer. So just wait for that. And let's take a look at the sticker up here. So, and look at this. We'll take a deeper dive into this, but yeah, super disk drive. I don't have a super disk, so can't use that until I get a super disk drive. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.